Work in material handling? The last thing you need is to deal with managing batteries and worrying about energy costs and other operational expenditures related to your forklift fleet. That's where UGOWork comes in. We offer a complete turnkey lithium-ion solution so that you can optimize your team's efficiency, achieve better energy savings, and extend the useful life of your power source. It includes cutting-edge lithium-ion batteries and a universal charging station that can withstand the harshest environments. UL listed and featuring enhanced ergonomics, we go beyond industry standards and leave nothing to chance when it comes to safety. But UGOWork doesn't stop there. We go beyond supplying next-generation lithium-ion batteries. We transform how material handling teams work. Our customers also benefit from our Energy as a Service program, a flexible, pay-per-use approach to energy consumption. It offers guaranteed uptimes, energy savings, forklift performance, all without the upfront capex. Our 24/7 monitoring system sends our team direct alerts in case any issues arise. As advocates for customer success, our energy experts continuously analyze your battery data to provide the insights needed to perform predictive and preventative maintenance. Material handling teams across North America count on UGOWork for applications in the 3PL, warehousing, automotive, food and beverage, and cold storage sectors. Now more than ever, resilience, reliability, cost management, and sustainability goals are fueling the next revolution in material handling. Taking control over operations with future-proof technology is now possible. Because the more you know, the more you move.